What's the meaning of amorphous? Amorphous. 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 Amorphous.
The term amorphous refers to something that lacks a clear or defined shape or structure. It can be used to describe both physical objects, such as liquids or gases, and abstract concepts, like ideas or emotions. An amorphous substance does not have a consistent arrangement of atoms or molecules, giving it a random, disordered appearance. In terms of materials science, amorphous substances lack the long-range order of crystalline materials, making them isotropic, meaning they exhibit the same physical properties in all directions. Amorphous materials also tend to have lower melting points and higher solubility than their crystalline counterparts.